Hello and welcome to another Facts and Dimensions Spotlight Dataset. In this one, I'm going to cover appointments in general practice. This is an especially popular dataset amongst our users, so I expect you'll probably already know about it. Anyway, so it is a few tables. Here they are: actual duration, appointments GP coverage, appointments GP daily, weekly metadata. That's the metadata table dimension. Let's just have a little look at that right now, actually. That just helps you understand the data within the other data tables. GP weekly, national categories. There's also a special COVID one from the NIMS database. They're not booked in advance appointments. And this one, practice level crosstab, that is a new one. So you can see here what that contains. And SDS, Spine Directory Service Role Groups. That is basically the data set. This all comes from this website here, digital.nhs.uk. You can see that in the heading there. So obviously go to the website, click on the link, and you can get some more information about the data that's in here. But that's that really. It's quite large. So let's have a little look actually what we've got. Appointments GP daily. So there's the commissioner code and the ONS equivalent, STP and region. This has got counts of appointments split by all kinds of things. Actually, if I let's do a distinct on here so we can see what it's sort of stuff it's split by. So you can see it's split by different areas. But let's do the other categories so we get the idea. So you can see there's actually quite a lot there. Yeah, rather too much to actually go through on here. Let's do a distinct on each of these fields so we can get a better idea, shall we? There we go. Appointment status not provided. Attended. DNA stands for did not attend. Unknown. And then HCP type. There's HCP types. And then appointment mode. There's appointment mode. And then finally time between book and appointment. Booking and appointment, I think it means. There you go. Get the idea there. We've also got actual duration. That's how long the appointment is. So you've got that there. If I just do a distinct there so we can get an idea. There you go. Different lengths of minutes. Some of them up to an hour long. Okay. And we've got GP coverage. It's just include the practices and open practices and registers. Registered as in number of patients registered. That is actually also in NHS. No, sorry, in the demography one. You've got the numbers of patients registered at GP practice. That's covered in another Spotlight dataset called the demography. The weekly appointments data. So you've got a few measures there. Let's do a distinct on that too. We get a nice idea of what we've got there. There you go. Get the idea. You just do a pause on the video and there you'll see. I mean, I don't want to go through the entire lot because this video will get even more boring than it already is. But yeah, you get the idea. Not booked in advance, so people just turning up. That's it, really. So now you know that's there. Please go ahead and try it out. Thanks.